Alright, now that the tool chest I've built is done, next going to this wire rack with the 4 shelves. Put it together, put wooden doors and shelves on it, sides. Basically this is a frame, and then put all my air tools in it. Now time to add wood to the shelves, the siding, top and doors. Okay, so one thing I don't like about this rack, and I'm going to change, is these legs. I'm going to cut them out and make a 2x4 bottom. So I got it all zip tied together, a lot less wobblier, and got all the pieces pre-cut, pre-drilled holes. Time to put the frame together. This part of the framing started. I got the clamp holding it in place. Got a little glue on the where it's going together. And yeah, I'm a one-man show. I had to use tape to hold it in place while I put the clamp on. It is what it is. Got it all framed. Getting ready to use that plywood over there to sheet it and make 2 doors to go on the front. Put my shelves in, paint it. It goes right here, right next to the new tool chest. It's not done, but I did get it framed, skinned, I'd like to call it. Put the wood around it, sheeted, whatever you want to call it. I like to call it skinned. Anyway, I decided while I was doing this that I'm going to build one more spot right here. Not very big, just big enough to hold 4 guns, paint guns, primer guns basically. That'll probably be primer, maybe 1 paint. But yeah, it'll be a boxed in section 2 so we can keep the guns clean. But I wanted to keep them separate from the other air tools. Alright, so that's it for chapter 4. Thanks a lot, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment. If you want to make that $100 chance to win that $100, leave a positive comment. Also, in case you're watching this and you don't know, this is the video that you want to go look for. Project Carport Shop Setup / Build. That explains everything for the $100. The only goal I got in the shop is protect my tools. There's just, you know, in my opinion, a guy doesn't deserve tools if he lets it get like this. I want to keep my tools. Want them to last. So that's the whole reason for building the tool cabinet, air tool cabinet, and that section right over there. After I'm done with the air tool cabinet, all this is getting busted out and redone.